So, how did you meet Marwa? Are you related?
No, I am Mara. We are not like blood related like blood, but we are related like because it's my brother or by friendship, by Mara. We grew up in the same compound. Like whatever separated the compound was maybe a lemon tree, I guess.
Okay, like that previous house
yes.
where you used to show us.
So me, I could see the Marwa operating because we were just close. We were neighbors.
Yeah.
And we could fetch water from their house. They could fetch water from our house. So we were this close. So we grew up together. And then, of course, apart from that, we've been friends. And so let me here. Okay. So apart from that, we've been like their family and ours. We've been like we have a lot of respect. We've never like crossed one another. So we've grown up. Maro is a bit older than me. So I'm more or less like David Junior because we studied the same class. We grew together. We played together. Played football together. So to answer your question is that we've been neighbors. All the life. Even now we are neighbors. It's now that I live maybe 10 minutes walking to his house. So we've been together, and now he's a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. He came to Spain, so he's my friend. He's like a very close friend to me. So that's I cannot say how I met my Ayamara, because we've been growing together. So to answer your question. We grew together. Yes.
I'm asking that because I've noticed you guys have lots and lots of similarities. Having been brought up here in Nyabuhanse, he had a similar experience how he went to Colombia first. Is Colombia in Europe?
No, it's in South America.
South America, And the fact that you guys are YouTubers and actually you guys are dating, married to Maro is already. You are already married.
Me, I'm married.
Maro is still dating.
He's dating.
Maybe I can call it courting. A Spanish or
Argentina.
Spanish?
Argentina, yes, Argentina.
Argentina. And also your wife is Spanish.
Spanish, so they speak Spanish probably.
They speak Spanish. So who inspired who in the field of vlogging or YouTubing?
I think nobody inspired anybody.
Because actually some guys might think.
But in the terms of YouTube, nobody inspired nobody because Mara opened his YouTube channel in 2016 and I never knew him. I never knew that he had a YouTube channel. Until Mara came home, I think 2018 when I had a YouTube channel in 2017 in Nairobi. So all along I've been like fighting, like trying, but I never knew that YouTube pays. So all that time, so to answer your question that who inspired who? In terms of opening YouTube, nobody. But Maro has big numbers than me, very big numbers, large numbers. So in terms of inspiring comes in because Maros have supported me a lot. Like even now, Maro can just share my video without me asking him to share. Like just sharing. When I came home, my first video that had a million views within 2 weeks. Maro even shared it. And Maro, in terms of inspiration, now when I knew Maro has helped me a lot when it comes to, yes, he has given me a hand. Because when he came to Spain, I was 2,000 subscribers and I had like 1,000 watch hours. And you know the struggle of getting watch hours. He held my hand because he made me to get the watch hours. And of course, I learned from him, and I get some tips from him because of the way he do, the way, and I think maybe he learns from me some things. You know, I might learn from you. I don't know. But he pushed my YouTube channel, yes, a lot. But in terms of opening, I think he opened his, I opened mine without. I think I was the second person in this village to have a YouTube channel because me, I wanted to show people. So yes, In general, to answer this question, he touched my hand, like he pushed my YouTube a lot. Even today, when I tell you see, me, you might come to Maro's place and he's busy, and he might not attend you because he's busy. Yeah. But me, when I come to Maro's place,
just one time,
he gives me, like, he's a close friend of mine, and like that brotherhood, he attends me, and I really appreciate him for that. And because he's the one who made me to be monetized, me, I will never. It's like somebody giving me a job.
Yeah, sure.
It's like somebody connecting you to get a job. Yeah. So you'll be a foolish person to forget that person. Yeah. So he have played a big role in my YouTube channel, but he never inspired me to open a YouTube channel. I think you understand that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So you are one of the pioneers. You, Marwa, only the
yes.
Two of you.
Yes, I can say yes, because D came in. Later, David Jr., all these YouTuber came now later. Yes, but YouTube, you can. How many subscribers do you have?
Right now I have 415 subscribers.
So today you might have 415.
Yes.
But when you come next year, you are 1 million. Yeah. You are even bigger than Mara. So we are there, but people come pass us. People come and go. And YouTube is just. Yeah, like it is. Yeah. So I might have even started in 2013, and you come today, you pass me with when it comes to number, and that is it. Yeah. It does not really matter if you came first. You are going to be leading. Yeah. And that is the game of YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes, and me, I'm not like full-time YouTuber. You get it?
Because I see you do several works.
Yes,
apart from just the chef part of it.
No, I'm not even working as a chef at the moment.
Yeah.
I work as an electrician. I install electricity.
I normally see there's a certain van you normally drive.
Yes.
And you do videos every day.
Yeah. So
another time we were shooting and it was raining.
Yeah. So yeah. So that is my van. Yeah. For our company. Yeah. So I work as an electrician. I don't really work as a chef.
So how does that come on board? Because you told us you studied
bro,
chef.
where I come from, you do anything to put food on the table.
Yeah, sure.
To answer your question, once I got in Spain, I never knew even. It's like going to China.
Yeah.
And people do not speak English.
Yeah.
So to get a job, like I did hotel management. So whenever I applied a job. Okay, English qualified. Yeah. Spanish, no. So, and in that industry, yes or yes. If it's not an English company, then yes or yes you have to know Spanish. Yeah. So I couldn't work as a chef because I never knew the language. Yeah. And number two, I never had a driving license. Driving license is one of the biggest, a plus one in Spain when it comes to jobs. Yeah. Yeah. So my father-in-law told me, you just learn Spanish. Once you understand the basic, I'll be working with you. He has a company, how do we call it? Electrical company? Yes. Yeah. He has a company. So Matiko learned Spanish very fast. I picked. These are the homeboys, Alikiba. Yes, they are musicians.
She's on board right now. And the Tupac.
Yeah, Tupac.
Well,
yeah.
awesome.
So So to answer your question, is that me, I can do anything legal to make my life, to sustain my life. Yeah. I have a family in Spain and in Kenya. Yeah. So I could not depend on Laura, my wife, with one salary in Europe, it's very difficult. No. It's very difficult to survive. It's very difficult when you it's maybe 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom house. You have to pay food. You have to pay fuel. It's very difficult. So I was very sharp, eager of getting. So I got my driving license, and within 3 months, I had understood basic Spanish, the basics. Yeah. So I went to Spain in 2021. The whole of that year, 2021 December,
Yeah.
I got my job because now I had known the basics.
Yeah.
So that's how I started as how do you say this? An assistant.
An assistant. Yeah.
Yes.
Mtu wa mkono.
Yes, mtu wa mkono.
Yeah.
Then I was studying, learning, and now I install electricity, and that's how I got my job.
Oh yeah.
I changed from
Being a chef.
chef to an electrician.
Yeah.
Because of you have to survive, bro.
Yeah.
Even if today, even me personally, even if today I don't have I don't work as an electrician,
Yeah.
even if I have a master's or I have a PhD or anything,
Yeah.
and there is a job that can feed my family,
Yeah.
which is not my profession,
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Yeah, you go for it. Hello.
Yeah.
Hey, hey.
Pepe, bro. Gatwari uchire.
Nilikuja keep on supporting these young people. Yeah.
So Jagashi, Kevin Mangare,
Yeah.
Zai, Nyabohansi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jagashi. Yeah.
Kevin Mangare,
Zai,
Zai,
Nyabohansi.
Nyabohansi.
Wow, it's
Yeah,
interesting.
this is Kevin
So,
Mangare
meaning?
Nyabohansi.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jagashi.
Kevin Mangare, Zai, Nyabohansi. Zai is at.
Oh,
or
from.
in. Oh, yeah.
Zai,
Oh,
Nyabohansi.
yeah,
Jagashi.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you say
Matiko.
that in Spanish?
Soy Matiko y vivo en Nyabohansi.
Ibibo.
Sí, vivo,
It
I live in
sounds
Nyabohansi.
romantic, man.
Yeah.
Soy Anoto Vivo Nyabohansi.
Sí, vivo en Nyabohansi.
Vivo China.
Oh,
Oh.
soy Matiko de Kenya. I come from Kenya.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Matiko from Kenya.
Yeah.
Soy Matiko de Kenya.
Yeah. I like it when people, especially Kenyans, travel to other parts of
I
the
would
continent.
really love to learn
Chinese.
Chinese.
Yeah.
It's difficult. How do you even know how they write? How do you know that this is A, this is B?
The problem with me, that food they do take.
The food.
Yeah,
food,
the
yeah.
food. You know, those people
Yeah.
do take anything that. Yeah.
Yeah.
In Kenya, yeah, I've been heard Wajakoya when he was vying for presidency.
Yeah.
He said that snakes will sell for Chinese. If you can rear snakes,
Yeah.
we'll sell for them.
Yeah.
So I don't know if they
no.
do take that snakes
You know,
as a.
you know, I've been in the hotel industry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every culture has its own food. It's like here when we eat ugali, or let me say there this culture called I think they are Luos or these people from Kakamegas. Luyas.
Luyas.
Yeah.
They eat these insects. I don't know how they are called.
Chinsonono.
Chensonono. And
In India we say chiswa. Chiswa is are they the ants? The ants.
yes, those ones.
Yeah, yeah, chiswa.
So when my wife
okay.
sees something like that,
Yeah.
Ants,
it's like I cannot.
Yeah.
I cannot.
Yeah.
Yes, and when my mom, when I call mommy, this is what we are eating today. The shrimp, those the seafoods,
Yeah.
those crazy seafood.
Yeah.
They
They
say,
like it.
oh my god, no, I eat. We
Yeah.
eat the seafoods.
Seafood.
Yeah, in Spain. Yeah. So when I show mama, said
Yeah.
no, or snails,
Yeah.
snails.
And frogs.
Yeah, snails. So yes, in Spain people eat snail. I've tasted the snail. So
Yeah.
But-
But if you eat omena in Kenya, you have eaten a snail. I'm very sure.
No,
Yeah.
yeah.
If you've eaten omena, you've eaten a snail.
Me, man, I
I'm
do
very
take
sure.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. But you don't know. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
yeah,
then.
so